Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika. So this video is a continuation of the flay gown video. In order for you to understand the video, you need to watch the first video that I've uploaded. So do check out for that one in my channel. So to continue the creation of the gown, I've gone ahead to cut a similar lining piece for all the piece in the pattern. As you can see, I've cut out the lining for the down part, I've cut out the lining for the back panel, I've cut out the lining for the back panel, two piece. I've also gone ahead to cut out the lining for the front panel. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the lining to the fabric, while at the same time finishing up the neckline using the lining. I've gone ahead to sew my lining to the piece, both the front and the back one. The next thing I've also gone ahead to attach my darts, to sew my darts. Like as you can see, I've sewn the darts. The next thing I'm going to do is to attach the shoulder piece to the front and to the back panel, like this. I will attach the shoulder piece to the front and to the back panel, like so. I've gone ahead to use this shoulder piece to attach the front and the back panel. Can you see how I sewed it in? The little shoulder piece I got, that's what I used to join the front and the back panel. Next I'm going to do is to attach the sleeve. So in order to attach the sleeve, I'm going to merge the notch on the sleeve and the notch on the shoulder piece together, and merge the cuff end of the sleeve to the cuff on the armhole, like so. Remember, we added an allowance on the sleeve from both. You're going to make sure to take back that allowance when attaching the sleeve. This is what my dress looked like after attaching the sleeve. So I've gone ahead to sew the hemline of the sleeve, like so. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to attach the down part of the garment, and after that we join both sides of the dress and attach the zip. This is what the dress looks like after attaching the down part of the garment and the lining. I've also gone ahead to join the back of the dress where I give allowance for the zip, and I've left 18 inches allowance where I will attach the zip from. The next thing I'm going to do now is to join the two sides of the dress using 1 inch seam allowance. This is what the dress looks like after joining the two sides of the gown. I've also gone ahead to attach zip at the back to enable the person to be able to wear it out, wear it in and wear it out whenever you want. And I've gone ahead to also sew the hemline of the garment. This dress is so beautiful. It came out exactly as I expected. I don't have anything to correct in it, just what I wanted. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.